everyone, my name is Tori Eiselstein and I'm a certified health coach. I am passionate about helping people to create a healthy lifestyle from the comfort of home. So today I wanted to share with you my favorite ginger recipe, which is caffeine-free, dairy-free, and it's very soothing on the stomach, and it is super simple and quick to make. So let's get started. So here's what you'll need. Some ginger, cinnamon, turmeric, honey. I use almond milk. You can use whatever milk you like, but I prefer unsweetened almond milk. It's my favorite. A mason jar, a mug. And it's also helpful for me to have an electric kettle. It just makes it really quick and easy, but if you don't have this, you can still make a latte pretty simply. So I mostly eyeball it, but if you want exact measurements, I use about a half teaspoon of ginger. I like a really gingery taste, so you may need a little less than that. Totally fine. Next, I use about a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon and a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Now, turmeric is pretty intense, so if you don't really like that turmeric taste too much, you may want to put in a little less than that. So I put about a teaspoon of honey in it, but depending on your preference, you may need to put a little more in or a little less. It's all up to you. And your mason jar will look a little bit like this. All the spices and the honey are in there, and next will be the water. So you fill up the mason jar about halfway with hot water. Be careful, it may be really hot, so don't touch this area, it will burn you. Next, I fill the rest up with my almond milk. It looks so good. So I fill it up to about here, just to give it some room to shake. And then I screw it on the top, which I can't really show you very well. It's hard to hold up my camera and show you, but you know how to put on a lid on a mason jar probably. So with it on, screw it on really tightly, I just shake it like this. And if the glass is really hot, you may need to put a towel around it so you don't burn your hand, but this isn't too bad. So once it's already shaken up, and see how foamy and frothy that looks. So good. So you may want to taste test it just to see if the sweetness is right. This is pretty good. I don't like it too sweet, so this is really yummy. And that is a really quick and easy way to make a ginger latte. If you like this, hit the like button and subscribe. Let me know if you've tried the recipe and what you think about it. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye!